So in this video we're going to be making a pepper shaker. Shakers are a great bit of the orchestra, they really help keep the rhythm going. So now we're going to make a pepper shaker. This is, again, really simple to do, and we find that this is a good one that you can get the participants a bit more hands-on with. So for this, obviously you'll need a pepper. So the fatter the better really for this. You need some space inside because we're going to be putting something inside that we can shake. For this, we've used yellow split peas. You can also use lentils, dried chickpeas, or kidney beans. As far as tools for this, again we're using a sharp knife, we have a chopping board to protect the surface, and then we've also got some gaffer tape. So this is very simply a case of just chopping the top off of the pepper. So we just slice the top like so. Sometimes if you can, I try and make sure that it's not completely off, but it's still a little bit connected. So we end up with the pepper being like this. We then have to try and take out as much of the middle of the pepper as we can. And for that, you need to get inside with a knife and cut out some of the more fibrous sections. Like so. You might want to get inside with a spoon, a teaspoon or something, but the idea is for it to be as hollow as possible. So once we've done that, we should have a fairly hollow pepper. At which point we just need to pour in some of the items we've got to make the shaky sound. Now this is a time that normally we can hand it over to people and they can either put them in bit by bit with their fingers, they can pour it in. As you see, quite often makes a bit of a mess, so we just need to be careful that we're not spilling too much onto the floor and causing any kind of trip hazard. Once we've got enough things inside of it, we need to close it up. Now because this one is quite neatly sliced, you could just hold it closed, but we like to put some tape around it just to make sure that it stays closed. We're using some nice bright gaffer tape here. The good thing with this is that it's strong and durable and you can tear it by hand. So you can tear some like so, and then we can wrap it around the pepper like that. And that will just keep it closed and ready for the performance. And that is a pepper shaker. So that's our pepper shaker. It's one of the more easier instruments to make and it's really easy to play. It can be a little bit on the quiet side depending on what you put in it, but just make sure you give everyone the chance to play a solo. So thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed that. I'm Matt from SoCo Music Project, and you can find out more about what we do at socomusicproject.org.uk.